In this video, I will show you exactly how to customize your CorelDRAW Workspace by switching the interface from the standard light mode to a sleek dark theme. If you spend long hours working on your graphic design projects, you already know that a bright screen can really strain your eyes after a while. Shifting to a darker background is a great way to reduce that fatigue and give your workstation a more professional look. To get started, go ahead and open up the CorelDRAW application on your computer. Once the software is fully loaded and ready to go, we need to access the Settings panel. You can do this quickly by using a handy keyboard shortcut. Just press the Control key and the J key at the same time to bring up the Options menu instantly. If you prefer using the mouse, simply navigate to the very top of the screen, click on the Tools menu, then select Options, and finally click on CorelDRAW from a list. Once the Options window pops up, take a look at the sidebar located on the left-hand side. You will see several categories listed there, but the one we need is called Global. Click on the small arrow to expand the global category, and then click on Appearance. This will open up the display settings in the main panel. Now, look for the section labeled Color. Here, you will find a drop-down menu right next to the word theme. When you open this menu, you have a few different choices. You can select the dark option for a classic deep gray look, or if you prefer an ultra-dark and high-contrast workspace, you can choose black instead. Take a moment to decide which one fits your style. Once you have made your selection, simply click the OK button at the bottom of the window to apply the changes.